This is exactly how I was able to connect my GameSir G7 Pro to my PlayStation 5 here without any lag here, as you can see. So the first thing you need to do is to grab that little USB dongle that you should have gotten when you bought the GameSir G7 Pro controller. Then what you also need to get is one of those Brook Wingman P5 adapters here, as you can see. Without it, it will not work, unfortunately, because this adapter makes it so that your PlayStation 5 actually is able to recognize your GameSir G7 Pro controller. So basically what you have to do is to take this adapter here, and then you're going to take this little USB here that you got from the GameSir G7 Pro and insert it in here. So what I'm going to do now is to grab it here and then insert it into my PlayStation 5 here, as you can see, and then click on this little button here until I can see that a little light will start to blink on it here. And then on the GameSir G7 Pro controller, make sure to turn it around and make sure that the flicker here is flicked towards the adapter here. And then we can, for example, click here and the A button here until it turns on, and you can see the green light starts to blink. Now click on this little button right here, click and hold until it's gonna blink really fast. Now wait for it to connect to the adapter. Quite often it's gonna be very fast. You can see now it should already be connected. I'm just gonna, you can see, lift up here, and yeah, it works without any lag whatsoever. Pretty cool and very easy to connect. If you want to be able to get this specific Wingman adapter here, as you can see, I have left a link for it down below in my description, and yes, it is an affiliate link, and I may earn a small commission if you purchase through it at no extra cost to you, just so you know. Just a cool way to support my channel if you want to.